Hello and welcome to this video lecture series on architecture and interior design. I am Mr. A. Alex Livingston Raja, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, and the topic that we are going to learn today is elements of design. The elements of design can be thought of as the things that make up a design. So these elements are the ingredients or building blocks that comes together to create or produce a visual statement. Some of the elements of design that we are going to discuss about today includes line, shape, form, light value, space, color and texture. A line is one of the most simplest element of design. When a point moves along an axis, the path tracked by the point creates a line. Lines are unidimensional and have only a length or distance. In interior design and architecture, different kinds of lines are used to represent different design philosophies. For example, horizontal lines represent balance and stability, vertical lines symbolize height and growth, angular and dynamic lines represent movement, and curved lines symbolize freedom. The next elements of design that we are going to discuss are shape and form. Shape is the external outline or form created by closed contours. Geometric figures such as triangle, square and rectangle are some examples of shapes. Shapes have two dimensions, that is a length and a width. When a third dimension of height or depth is added to a shape, it transforms into a form or volume. Therefore, a form has three dimensions, a length, a width and a height or depth. Few examples of forms include cube, cuboid, pyramid, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Color is defined as the property possessed by an object of producing different sensations on the eye as a result of the way it reflects or emits light of different wavelengths. Colors can stand alone at any time and can serve as a background or as a supporting element to other elements of design. Colors can enhance the impact of shapes, lines, forms and textures. The use of individual color in a design is easy, but when using multiple colors in a design, it requires a deeper understanding of its psychological implication. Therefore, the designer has to make sure that when using multiple colors, they blend well to create a pleasing visual effect. Value is defined as the lightness or darkness of a color. Natural or artificial, they set the tone of a space and highlights other elements of design. Darkness is considered as the absence of light. Dark shades absorb more light, thereby creating a darker atmosphere, while bright colors reflect more light and improves the illumination of the enclosed space. In interior design, the volume enclosed within the walls, ceiling and floor is known as space. There are two types of spaces, positive and negative space. The volume or space occupied by the objects is considered as the positive space, and the empty space surrounding the objects is considered as the negative space. For example, in a room, the space occupied by the furnitures can be taken as the positive space, and the unoccupied free space like the circulation area can be considered as a negative space. Texture is defined as the surface characteristics of a shape or a form. The roughness, smoothness, hardness and softness of an object is known as its texture. Most of the textures can be identified by visual inspection, while some requires the sense of touch to fully understand its surface quality. For example, materials like glass has a hard and glossy texture, while fabrics like silk has a soft and smooth texture. Thank you.